Please have a seat on this spectacular day here in the Rose Garden. My spectacular First Lady is here as well. As you can see, this is a spectacular beach. That's what Fulmouth Carney did when he got on that boat. And that's what so many generations of Irish men and women have done here in this spectacular country.
So nothing too spectacular, but something just really good and simple.
And last night, spectacular. I don't think I'd seen anything like it.
This is just a spectacular afternoon, and I'm thrilled to be here. And I look forward to a spectacular evening. Stand up, because that's pretty spectacular stuff. Sunsets were spectacular because of all the pollution in the air. But all of you look spectacular. I saw the original version. I'm a little older than all of you. And it was spectacular and wonderful, and I know this is going to be not just as good, but even better. Now, anyone who's ever seen the Oregon Mountains that overlook Las Cruces, New Mexico, will tell you that they are a spectacular. We came in by helicopter and had a chance to see the landscape, and it looks like a spectacular place to spend a few days, a week, however long you want to stay. Yeah, spectacular. Today's ceremonies and parade were truly spectacular. Not as warm as it is in Hawaii, and the views aren't as spectacular as in Colorado. But what makes Pullman special is the role it's played in our history.